Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have TP-LINK Tapo C120 camera security camera, and I'm going to show you how can you easily first set up this camera. At first open App Store and download your TP-LINK Tapo application. You have to search for Tapo in our App Store and then get. Now we have to verify ourselves. And now, as you can see, our app is installing. We have to select download. And wait a moment, I have to enable Wi-Fi. And install it once again. Now we have to connect our camera to our USB Type-C cable, which came with us over here. And as you can see, it works now. Our camera is now setuping and it's probably now in pairing mode, but we have to wait until our app installs. When we are installing this application, we can insert our micro SD card into our micro SD card slot, which is over here. We have to open it, and here is our card slot. And now it's inserted. Now we have to hit open, and now we have to hit allow button. Allow, and now we have to, I've already given local network permission, and now we have to, I confirm join and I accept. Here we have to create a TP-Link ID. We have to enter our location and our email. Now we have to hit next and set our password. Once we've done it, we have to accept our user agreement, and as you can see, now we have to hit login. Now we have to hit login. Pardon me, I have to insert our password. And now once we've logged in, we have to hit allow and click X over here. Now we have to tap plus over here to add device, and now we have to go to settings. Now we have to search for our application, and as you can see here we have Tapo and allow for local network. Now we have to avoid the given local network permission, and now we have to add indoor cameras. Now we have to search for our model, which is Tapo C120. And now, as you can see, firmly plug the power connector into the camera's power port until it's fully seated with no visible gap. Gently pull the connector to confirm it is securely attached. Now we have to hit next, and already red and green, as you can see. Now we have to hit allow while using app, and now we have to connect to your Tapo device. Go to your phone's tablet Wi-Fi settings and connect to your Wi-Fi. So we have to go to Wi-Fi settings, and as you can see, this is our Tapo cam. We have to connect to our network, and now we are connected to our network. Now we have to tap I'm already connected, and Tapo is looking for your Tapo device. Found it. Searching for a Wi-Fi network for your Tapo device. Now, as you can see, we have to choose our network, for example this one, and now we have to enter our Wi-Fi password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Now, as you can see, we are connected to our network.
Incorrect Wi-Fi password.
And as you can see, I've missed our Wi-Fi password, so we have to select our Wi-Fi and change our password. And as you can see, now we have pairing your Tapo device. We have to wait a moment. And as you can see, now we are connected to a Wi-Fi, and as you can see, now we can name our device. For example, our device will be named Tapo C120 HardReset. And then next. Here, as you can see, where have you placed this Tapo device? We can set a bedroom or custom one. For our custom will be a kitchen. Then next, choose an icon for your Tapo device. This one and the next. Now, as you can see, have to hit sounds good, and now we can click skip. Click got it, and set up your local storage. Insert the micro SD card. It is recommended to use a class 10 micro SD card or higher with storage from 80 GB to 512 GB. And as you can see, I've inserted our micro SD card earlier, so we have to hit got it. Firmware update, we have firmware update, and we can update time, set our update time, and our cam is now done. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.